Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and I have really had a love-hate relationship with skincare. However, now that I'm in my late 30s, I have to think more seriously about my skin and make sure I'm taking care of it. So I decided to try a new moisturizer. It's the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream by Burki. Now, I tend to have combination skin, and definitely in the winter I have very dry skin. My skin and face is so thirsty. This cream has really helped make my skin feel so moisturized. I'm absolutely in love with the smell of it. It smells so fresh and clean. There is no floral scent, no fruity scent, nothing of that nature, just a beautiful, light, fresh, clean smell. I absolutely love it. The cream itself is quite thick in consistency, but the beauty is that it does not feel heavy on your skin. It feels very lightweight, and my skin feels like it can breathe. It also does not leave any sort of oily feel to it after it's been applied. Then your skin feels beautifully moisturized. So if you have dry skin, you want something that's lightweight and not oily and a light, fresh scent, then I definitely recommend this face cream by Burki, and that's my point of view.